Who doesn't need more than one source of income these days? Get paid $500 instantly. All you have to do is click on this button right here and copy this link. Just like that, you'll be able to get $500 or even more. Absolutely zero selling and no skills required. You don't even need thousands or millions of followers. This is totally efficient and free. There is no need for you to invest and bring out any money. In this tutorial, I'll show you gradually how to sign up for a free account and make your first $100 right after watching this video. If you keep on watching, I'll be giving away something exclusive, and if you'll get this bonus, you could literally make an extra $400. The website that I'll be showing you today is called Digistore24. Now, I want you to head over to digistore24.com, but before you head out to the website, you need to keep on watching. You don't want to miss a single thing. The truth is, it really is so simple and uncomplicated. Once you've signed up for a free account, you will be able to access their marketplace and find various offers and various products that you can promote with just one click. When you click on to promote, you can just copy your affiliate links, and after that, you will then share this link all over the internet or using your social media accounts. And by the time people will click on your link and buy products from the website, you are going to earn a high commission rate. And there is no need for you to wait because you will be paid on time, showing you the sign-up process. And remember, the registration is totally free. You don't even have to pay a penny. As you head over to the website, you will have to fill in a lot of information. But don't worry, it's not that difficult as you think it is. The method that I will show you is undeniably unique, and it requires zero experience and skills, and you can earn up to $400. Now, log in to your Digistore24 account. You will click on the link on the top that says Marketplace. After clicking it, it will bring you to a page where you can find hundreds of different products that you can promote with a high commission rating. See, for example, this. Medicor, where you can earn 85% commission, and on average, you could be making around $121.4. And you can also get more information about this product. You can go on by showing you hundreds or even thousands of products on this website, and you can just choose any that you desire to promote, and commissions are really high. Now, I will show you the very first bonus tip that will help you in maximizing your earnings. Make sure you keep watching this video as I move on with the first bonus tip. Now, I want you to click on this button that says Marketplace, and I want you to click on this down arrow. As you can see, it is sorted by sales rank on default. Now, I want you to change it and choose on Sort by Earnings or Sale. All you have to do is click on that, and you can see here, Digistore24 will automatically filter all of the results and show you products with high commissions that you can promote. For example, this product here, Sericare. Type 2 diabetes and blood sugar support will pay you 75% commission, and the average earnings is $151.9. And if you make double or triple sales in a day, you could be making at least $500. This right here is exactly what I want to show you in this tutorial video. Go to Digistore24 homepage and click on this blue button right here that says Register Now to sign up for free, and that will take you to this page. As you can see here now on the first section, Sign Up, as make sure to choose this category because you are an affiliate, because we are here to make commissions online. So right here, you can just put in any surname you want and they'll automatically help you to generate your unique affiliate links. After that, you can now use your unique affiliate links to promote any products that you want on this website, and you could be making commissions in an instant. As we go on, all you need to do is put in your email address and create a password and choose your time zone. No need for you to worry since they are all available from around the world. After you get to select your country and your time zone, you just have to fill out your personal information, and when you're moving down, you just have to fill out your personal information, and you have to agree to the terms and conditions given. Once you're done setting up your account, just click on the button Promote Now, and you should be able to automatically get your promo link as you can see here. And then that's actually your promo link now. People can click on this link right here, and if they push through to make the purchase, you can easily earn the 50% commission, or depending on the product that you're promoting. Now, I will show you the tip wherein you can promote it totally for free. Just head on over to reddit.com. It is a website where people discuss various topics. They post questions, videos, photos of anything. Now you just have to go on to the search bar and type specific keywords so you can easily find your targeted people where you can promote your affiliate link. For a product like Medicor, you can promote this product by typing the keyword weight loss or anything related to it. And you can just click on the search button, and from there, it will take you to this page and show you all the search results. You can just go down below and you can look for different posts that people are asking for, like how do I lose my weight effectively? How can I maintain healthy joints? Now, what you will do is offer them free value and give them lists and tips of how you can efficiently lose weight. Now what you will do is give free tips or answers, as it will help in getting lots of traffic. And here's how we can get our commissions and money. Right here, this is the technique where you are going to plug a link. And what we will do is that we will copy and paste our affiliate links in this column, and we just have to do it over and over again. Now, after I show them every weight loss tip, I will show them the link at the end, and people will surely click on it. When they click on your affiliate link, and if they make a purchase, you will be able to make another $100. It's truly as simple as that. Imagine if you get more sales in a day. You can also just repeat and do this strategy over and over again to as many products that you want to promote.